Yo, what's up, my people? This is Belly Hage on the beat. Uh, I've seen a lot of people. They struggle looking for sound packs in Cubase. They always say it's tough. It's complicated. It's a lot of things, you know. I guess this tutorial is for you now. Just pay attention. You can use the right bar on the top, or you can use the sound media. Just go media and then you sound browse. And first, you need to have your folder with packs on the desktop of your computer. And then when you click in, this window will pop up. Yeah, and when it pops up, then you have to go to type in the strings, which could be maybe a kick or maybe a hi-hat, and then you go in the folders then, and you just click until you find the string. It's very easy. This was a quick tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.